So I marked 1 centimeter apart this aluminium flashing. So I'm gonna make bends every certain one of them, and we realize the heat sink for the motor. Let's try. We start with the flat one. Just bend it. Then we have to bend 1 centimeter ahead the same way. Then one more. This is one fin, and we give a gap so they can the metal can be in contact with the motor. Maybe, yeah, the 2nd centimeter. Drop and mark. So, and so on until we finish all length of the metal. See, this is the idea of what we're trying to achieve here. Now, if these fins are not all the same exact, it's going to be fine still. Alright, let's go on and finish the whole length. Once we're done with the realization of the making of the fins, we wrap around the motor the whole part. So as you can see, you got the sinkers all around. Most important thing about this is to have this surface as fair as possible, but we don't want to squash what we did, so we're going to make these indentations here in a way that we can put the wire in there in every single fin, and to tie it up at last, at the end. So we did our, let's say, grooves, and we're going to put now iron, wire, and then we're going to put the wire in there. And every single fin, and to tie it up at last, at the end. So we did our, let's say, grooves, and we're going to put now iron, wire, and then we're going to put the wire in there. And every single fin, and to tie it up at last, at the end. So we did our, let's say, grooves, and to tie it up at last, at the end. You could actually, to make it better, you can put those heat transferring pastes, but I haven't got any, so we'll try like this. Okay, this is the final look on the Facetron. See, it doesn't disturb anything around it. It looks pretty cool. It's something that nobody's gonna see often at all. Okay, hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.